Do you have clumps on your hair system after a wash? Well, we got the remedy you need. Clumps in the hair can occur due to unwashed styling products, leftover adhesive residue, and natural matting over time. Knowing what is causing the clumps in the hair is important so that the right method can be used to remove them without damaging the hair system. The best way to treat clumps is to, of course, prevent them from occurring. If unwashed styling products are still in the hair, do a double cleanse with shampoo to ensure the hair can be brushed smoothly. If the styling products are hard to remove, use a solvent to break down the product and wash the hair with shampoo. Then use the conditioner and leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing off. With adhesive residue, you will want to use a solvent immediately to remove the leftover adhesive. You can spot treat in the areas where the clumps are occurring and leave the solvent saturated in the hair for at least 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it off. Once you spot treat your hair, you can wash and condition your hair system. If you can't prevent the clumps from occurring and are wondering why you still have clumps in your hair after a wash, it might be due to the hair's natural drying process. Hair quality will eventually lessen due to environmental factors and wear and tear. When this occurs, you'll notice that you can still feel some dryness even during a wash. If some parts of the hair are dry and the conditioner cannot penetrate while others are fine, you'll notice the clumps afterward. To remove the clumps in this scenario, take some leave-in conditioner spray after washing. Saturate the clumps and wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Then take a comb and gently comb out the knots. Do this a couple of times until the clumps are combed out completely. Then comb through the entire hair system to ensure there are no more clumps or knots needed to be treated. Since the hair system has already been washed and conditioned at this point, you don't need to rewash. Just let it air dry or dry brush the hair system, then style. And that's it for this video. If you enjoy these quick hair system hacks and tips, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Until next time.